Wait. Don't skip this. Just give me a few seconds.
Okay, I'm here.
Let me ask you something simple. Can you talk about your daily routine in English without stopping?
Honestly, not really. I start okay, but then I get stuck.
Exactly. That happens to a lot of people.
Yeah, I know the words, but I can't connect them naturally.
Right. So today, we're going to fix that step by step.
That sounds good. I need this.
All right. So let's start simple. Morning routine.
The hardest part of the day.
True. So, first thing.
I wake up.
Good. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Short and clear.
Exactly. No need for long sentences.
Then I get out of bed.
Perfect. That's the correct phrase.
Not leave bed, right?
No, never say that. Next.
I go to the bathroom.
Yes. And then?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very natural.
You know what I like?
What?
These are things we already do every day.
Exactly. You're not learning something new.
You're just learning how to say it.
After that, kitchen time.
Coffee time.
Always.
I make a cup of coffee.
Perfect sentence.
And while drinking coffee,
Let me guess. Phone?
of course,
I check my phone.
I read my messages.
I check my emails.
And sometimes too much social media.
Yes, that's very real. Then we get ready.
I get dressed.
Good. Simple and natural.
And then breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Something simple. Toast, maybe fruit.
Nice.
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. Then comes leaving the house.
I leave my house at 7 a.m.
Great. Adding time makes your sentence stronger.
How do you go to work?
Different ways.
I take the bus.
I drive to work.
I walk to work.
All correct. And this part is very important.
What part?
Your commute.
Why?
Because you can learn English during that time.
Oh, that's true.
You can listen to something.
Music, podcasts.
Even repeat sentences.
That actually sounds easy.
It is easy. That's the point. Then you arrive at work.
I arrive at work at 7:30.
Perfect.
You know what I'm noticing?
What?
This is not difficult.
Exactly.
We just make it difficult in our heads.
That's the biggest problem. Simple verbs.
Short sentences.
Real situations.
That's how you speak naturally.
Let's quickly repeat everything.
Okay.
I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I make coffee.
I check my phone.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I leave my house.
I go to work.
I arrive at work.
Wow, that actually feels smooth now.
See? That's progress.
I think the key is repetition,
Yes. Repeat simple things again and again.
not complicated grammar.
Just real English. All right. We covered the full morning routine.
And it already feels more natural.
In the next part,
We talk about work and afternoon.
more useful phrases.
More real-life English.
So don't go anywhere.
Because it only gets better from here.
All right. So now you're at work.
Yeah, still a little sleepy, but ready.
Same here. So what's the first thing you do?
I check my emails.
Perfect. That's probably the most common sentence.
And sometimes too many emails.
Way too many.
Yes, it's never just one.
After that,
I start my work.
good. Or,
I start my tasks.
even better. Sounds more natural.
Most people work on computers now.
True.
I work on my computer.
Simple and useful. You know what's interesting?
What?
Work English is very repetitive.
Yeah, same actions every day.
Emails, typing.
Meetings.
Exactly.
Let's talk about meetings.
Ah, meetings.
Some are useful.
Some are not.
True.
I have a meeting.
I have meetings.
Both are correct.
And sometimes meetings are long.
Too long.
Yes, definitely.
Then finally,
The best part.
lunchtime.
Yes!
I have lunch at 12 p.m.
Clear and easy. What do you usually eat?
Something quick.
Like a sandwich?
Or a salad.
Or leftovers?
Leftovers are the best sometimes.
I bring my lunch from home.
Good sentence.
Or I buy lunch.
Also very common. Lunch is more than just food.
Yeah, it's a break.
Time to relax.
Time to talk with people.
I eat with my coworkers.
We talk and laugh.
That's important.
Because work feels easier when you connect with people.
Exactly. And then,
Back to work.
unfortunately, yes.
I continue working.
Good phrase. Very natural.
Sometimes I feel tired after lunch.
Everyone does.
It's like low energy.
Yes, that afternoon feeling.
I feel tired.
Simple, but real. So what do people do?
More coffee.
Of course.
Or they try to focus again.
I try to focus.
Good sentence.
Then comes the afternoon work.
More tasks.
More emails.
Maybe more meetings.
Hopefully not too many.
Time goes slowly sometimes.
Very slowly. But then,
The best moment.
you finish work.
Yes.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Or my workday finishes at 4:30.
Both sound natural.
That feeling is amazing.
Freedom.
Exactly.
Then you go home.
I go home.
Or,
I take the bus home.
good.
And when you get home,
You just want to relax.
yes, always.
I sit on the sofa.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
Or I just rest.
This part is very important.
Yeah, you need to recharge.
Exactly.
You know what I like about this?
What?
These are all real sentences.
Yes.
Things we actually say in real life.
Not textbook English.
Real English.
All right.
We covered work and afternoon,
In the next part,
evening routine,
dinner,
relaxing,
family time.
and going to bed.
So stay with us.
Because you're building real English step by step.
All right. Now you're finally home.
Best feeling ever.
Yes, after a long day.
So, what do people usually do first?
Relax. Always relax.
I agree.
I sit on the sofa.
I change into comfortable clothes.
Good one. Very natural.
Sometimes I just do nothing for a few minutes.
That's important, actually.
Yeah, just quiet time.
Or you can say,
I rest.
perfect.
Some people watch TV.
I watch TV.
Some listen to music.
I listen to music.
Simple patterns again.
Exactly. Repeat and reuse. Then comes dinner.
Yes, important moment.
I make dinner.
Or I cook dinner.
Both are correct.
Do you like cooking?
Sometimes. Sometimes not.
Same.
Some days,
I order food.
yes, very real.
After dinner,
The worst part.
dishes.
I wash the dishes,
No one likes it.
but everyone does it.
Or tries to avoid it.
Yes, true. Then comes evening time.
The calm part of the day.
I spend time with my family.
Very nice sentence. Or
I talk with my family.
I watch a movie.
I read a book.
You can choose anything you like.
Exactly. Some people also exercise.
Yes, like going for a walk.
I go for a walk.
Very useful phrase. You know what I like about this part?
What?
It's more relaxed.
Yes, slower pace.
Morning is fast.
Work is busy.
Evening is calm.
Exactly. Then we prepare for bed.
I take a shower.
Good.
I brush my teeth again.
Important detail.
And then,
I read a book.
or just relax.
Some people use their phone again.
Yes, not always a good idea.
Then finally,
I go to bed.
perfect ending.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30 or 11 p.m.
Same here.
I try to sleep 7 or 8 hours.
That's very important.
Good sleep equals good energy.
And better English learning, too.
Yes, that's true.
So now we have the full day.
Yes. Let's quickly review. I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I make coffee.
I check my phone.
I go to work.
I work.
I have lunch.
I finish work.
I go home.
I relax.
I make dinner.
I spend time with family.
I go to bed.
That actually sounds very natural now.
Yes, because it is natural.
No complicated grammar,
No difficult words.
just real life.
And that's the key.
Practice simple things every day.
You don't need perfect English.
You need consistent English
Small steps,
every day,
and you will improve.
little by little.
All right, that's it for today.
We hope this helped you.
Now it's your turn.
Try to describe your day in English.
Keep it simple
Keep it real.
and keep practicing.
See you next time.